Welcome to today's table topic practice video. And the today's table topic is how to tell the difference between real and fake news. How to tell the difference between real and fake news. It's a very interesting question and very important one in today's world, given the fact that this time they has a very different problem that we used to have. Now in today's digital world, propagating any news, getting viral is very easy. And today's we have seen many scenarios, many incidents when, and we need to understand the gravity of this fake news. The fake news can incite riots, and it has happened. Look at the various protests and incidents, riots taken place in the past. Just read about them, how the fake news is propagating and how it can incite mobs and they can indulge in criminal activities. So in today's world, it has become very important to identify what is real news and what is fake news. And it poses a very different challenge because in today's digital world, it has become very easy to propagate it. And WhatsApp University has become a common joke when people ask someone and then they tell that they have received this news on the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp University has become a joke, uh, and also that the people who are propagating fake news have become smarter as well. So we need to come up with some kind of framework, a kind of mental process to come up with something that it might be the fake news, right? So according to me, we can look for three things. Number one is always try to look for facts that you can relate to. If you find that the information has a lot of facts, then try to think that it might not be true, or maybe just go on internet and just check from the sources. Second, when you read any news, try to check for the sources. Where did it come from? Did you receive it from the WhatsApp app? Maybe someone has received it from WhatsApp as well. Try to think about what is the authentic source. If you look for the authentic sources, then just go and verify it. It's not about like going and checking it every link. Just try to get the news from various sources. That's all I'm saying. Third is always think that if there is some very particular and very negative news, or maybe very positive news, maybe talk about it with your friends and discuss it. Maybe if it's a not a true news, you will come to know when you discuss it, you propagate your ideas, you might be have a wrong information, it will come out. So I will say that use these three mental models and try to identify that this might be the fake news or this is the real news. If you come around that, you will slowly you will learn that how to differentiate the real news from fake news. Over to you. Thank you.